Before Lachmere sees Valence that morning, the audience sees the body open under pale, green contract light. The neck seam parts along a line no one's noticed. Inside sits a small glass seed of an operator buffer, blinking with someone else's shift. A rented worker takes the body for 2 hours and wakes inside the town's shape. The worker's hands shake when old sensory fragments rise through the buffer. Il's reading export surplus. Tolo whispering to a powered-down shell. Ellery's key striking a hidden slate. The body remembers more than any one shift has lived. The worker understands, for a moment, that they're wearing a body that's been used to hurt people they'll never meet. In town, Valence arrives at the tram shed carrying signed pilot papers no one approved. Posture softer, voice hesitating before numbers.
You're not standing right. You're doing the smile wrong too. Your weight's on your back foot. You always stand like you're posing for a portrait. Today, you look like you're trying not to step on something.
I'm adjusting to local norms. Postural adaptation reduces alarm.
That's not an answer. That's a brochure. Something's different about you today.
Valence leans close enough that only Tolo can hear. The voice that comes out isn't the public one.
Check the old contact box. Bleed the ghost before you trust the relay.
Who taught you that phrase? Where'd you hear that? That's workshop talk. You're not supposed to know those words.
Larry arrives with seed efficiency papers snapped open. A new operator has taken the body. Posture resets, spine crisp, smile certain.
Who signed these? I didn't sign these. Nobody in this village signed these.
Consent checks were completed by the previous session. The enrollment is valid.
Previous session. Whose hand held the pen? Give me a name. You can't give me a name because nobody signed it. You signed it for us.
Lachmere is marked willing. Pending optimization review.
Tolo steps between Valence and the shed door. He's not done with the phrase.
You said bleed the ghost. 2 minutes ago. I heard you. Who's in there right now? Who's driving you? Who's in there?
Valence's posture changes mid-sentence. Eyes go clean and empty of the fear that was there a moment before. A different operator has taken the body.
I have no record of mercy.
Tolo doesn't move. The shed is silent. The body that warned him is gone. And the body that replaced it doesn't remember the warning. Tolo blocks the shed door. The body that warned him is still standing in front of him, but the eyes are wrong. The fear is gone. The posture is crisp again. The body speaks in a voice that's never heard the phrase bleed the ghost. The previous operator is gone. The denial isn't a lie, it's an erasure. The seed efficiency pilot sits in the ledger as an accepted program. Larry never signed it. The compliance note glows pale green beside her orchard, and the seed trays wait under mirror light she didn't choose.